Hello, fellow traders. This is Mark Abramsky from Forex Undressed. Today is January the 11th, 2015. We're just basically doing the week of the 16th, or the 11th, I'm sorry, to the 16th of January. What we're looking at is basically a weekly sort of synopsis of the markets. Basically, I'll be updating you on the news. There isn't really much up until about Wednesday when we look at the Aussie dollar. What we're more looking at is, as you can see, there is a bit of a correction going on here in the Nikkei 225 as it moves back down, probably in most of the indexes. The euro, once again, put in a bit of a bottom here last week, although I wouldn't say necessarily that it's finished falling. It may rise back up towards the 22.45 area. Of course, that means the US dollar franc will probably fall and gold will maybe stage a bit of a rally up towards the 1292 area, the top end of the triangle that it's in at this particular time. Oil, although it's down around the 47.58 area, in this particular area between here and 45, I could see it popping back up towards the 60 to 65 area over the next 3 months or so. Of course, treasuries continuing to move higher, which I believe they will continue to do that. In other words, yields falling. Um, and as we continue through, the NASDAQ, once again, may continue to move down, although the types of patterns that these are in on the daily chart would lead one to believe that they're probably headed higher in the near term, which I think they probably will be the indexes. That's the S&P, the Dow, and of course the NASDAQ. The pound, once again, in relation to the US dollar index, may move a little higher too towards the 53 area, maybe even 55. The Aussie dollar put in a nice bullish engulfing candle last week. It may chop in this area, moving ever so slowly higher back towards the 86 area over the next 2 or 3 months. The US dollar Canadian, once again, may come back down towards the 1.15 area, and the US dollar Japanese yen may move down towards the 113 before resuming its uptrend. Once again, this is more of a sideways corrective pattern that the markets are in as a result of the dollar index correcting. So that's my view of the week, and stay tuned for some news updates as the week continues.